Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. My name is Deep during lecture. In this video we are going to download and install VirtualBox. Let's begin. Click on Google Chrome. Alright, just type in virtualbox.org and wait for a while, just bear with me. Okay. Alright. And yes, we've got the download site. Just click on download VirtualBox version 5.2. Just click on it. It's going to take you to the download website. Now here you can see the Windows host. Just click on it because we have got Windows operating system. Alright, you have got a different distribution system. Then you can click on another link as well. I've got file size of 108 MB and our download has been completed. And go to the site again, VirtualBox site, and scroll down a little bit. Over there you can see the extension pack. You just click on all supported platform extension. It's going to download it. Just click on show all. File size is 18.7 MB and it's been done again. Just click on VirtualBox. Alright, and wait for the installation. Okay, preparing for installation. Just click on next and then click on next again and then click on next again. Click on yes and click on install. The packages are being extracting for installation. Just bear with me. And alright, it's done. Just click on finish. Our VirtualBox has been installed. Just click on VirtualBox over there. See, it's already automatically detected the extension. Just close it and close the VirtualBox again. Just click on extension pack. Alright, click on upgrade. Alright, just scroll down and just click on I agree, and the extension pack installation is done. Voila, we have completed our VirtualBox installation successfully. Alright, thanks for watching guys.